Hi everyone, once again welcome to Digital Genic. In this video we'll discuss like how we can create the pages for the landing page. So as we discussed in the previous video that we need two pages. The first one is the home main page, the second one is the thank you page. So in this video we'll create both of the two page, the home page and thank you page. So firstly we have to go into the dashboard WP admin part. Once we log in into the WP admin part, we have to click on the pages. The pages option will be there. Now we have to click on the add new page. Once you will click on add new page, so the pages will be reflected here, and that you have to mention the page name. Suppose for the main page that we are putting the name is home, just you have to click on the edit with Elementor. So the page start editing with Elementor part. So this will be the basic layout that page appears. So under the setting option, we will click on the page layout. Under the page layout, we will select Elementor full width. Once we will done with this, so we have to click on the publish. Now this is the part of the header. That part is coming from the header. So right now we have to create two sections. In this way we are creating from the scratch part. So now we have to create only two sections. Just you have to click on the grid to layout. So the two section has been completed here. Now as you can see here, this is the basic layout. The grid option is there, the box layout is there. So box layout you can increase and decrease the width according to your requirement, like how much you want to create the section. So now what we have to do, we have to add a text part here. You have to just drag and drop the text here. After the text we have to add a description about the product. So some information about the products we can add there and the term of the text part. So now we are adding the text part. Just a minute. So click on plus, the text editor will be there, that will be reflected here. So now copy this heading, copy this particular heading, this paste here. Text. Now the heading is below, so what do we have to do? We have to just put it below. So the heading is on top and the description is on the bottom. So this is the basic format in the left side that we have to create. In the right side we have to add a form. So just we have to click here. We have to select the source code and just paste it there. Once we will done with the source code part, we can just delete with the heading part. Once we will done from here shortcut, we will just remove the heading. If you found the grid option is difficult, so just have to click on the plus icon, flexbox, select two column and just drag and drop the heading. Like the first heading part will be there. After that you will add the text part will be there in the below, and the next one is just you have to add the source code in the right side. Okay. The shortcut has been added here. So this is the simplest way that we can add from the flex part. So this is the property. Flex and grid are the property of the CSS that you can see in the CSS video. So now what we have to do, we have to make this section of full height. Suppose once we'll publish this page, and if we will see this page in the front end part, so the now page is looking like this. So this is totally boring of kind of the things. Suppose if we don't want to see this particular header, so then what you have to click, you have to click on the setting, click on the Elementor canvas. Once we will done with the Elementor canvas, click on publish. So now the header part has been gone. As you can see that only the text and description is there. So now we have to make it full height, like from top to bottom. Only this page will be reflected. So what we have to do, you have to click on this six dot. Click on this 6 dot, then you have to select the VH. Once you will done with the VH part, so make it 100. Once you will make it 100, so click on the publish. Once done with the publishing part, you will see this part. This particular has been now is completely 100 VH. Suppose if we are giving the background of this, just click on the style, background color. Just select the type according to you, what the color you want to give. suppose we are going with this particular color, so now what we have to do, so this color in the background we are going with the heading. We have to make this heading in the center, like currently it is on top, so we have to make it in center. So what you have to do, click on the layout part, and just here the direction is there, column vertical. You can change the direction in this way, like open niche. Okay, so right now we have to just click on align item. In align item we have to click on the center part. So this particular thing has been in center. Now we have to change this color to the white. So just click on the heading, style, and text color will be white. So we will also change the color of the description white. Same process will be there for that. So now you click on the publish part. Once you will click on the publish, you can see that the particular page has been reflected here. You can see here the heading is there, the paragraph is there. So here we will add the form. Now we are taking the reference from the Digital Janit that we have discussed in the previous video. Like we will create this kind of the section. So just suppose the same background we will use. So the same background color we are using in the background. Once done with the background part, then we have to select this text. In the same way, we will also pick the text of this. Okay. So just you have to mention whatever you want to mention, you can mention it here. Click on the publish. So once done with the publishing part, you can see our page is looking like this, the mix up of the content with each other. So now we can just increase the font size, increase the line height. So you have to click on the particular heading part, click on the style part. So under the typography, you will see the option here, line height. So just drag and drop this particular option, the line height option. So you can see that line height is increasing. In this way, we have to increase the font. We can increase the font, and we can also increase the line height according to the font requirement. So once done with the heading part, we can also change this particular part, column width, like, or click on this, you can increase or decrease this. Okay. Suppose we are making it 60 and the second one will be the 40. This particular column will be 40. You can also decrease that. Now what you have to do, just in the same way, you can also change the description style. Just you have to click on this, click on the size, increase it according to your requirement. So you can see now, click on the update part and click refresh it. So you can see that the page is looking like this. The heading size and the font size has been increased of the description and heading. So this is the first page that we have created here, and in the right side we will have a contact form that we will discuss in the previous video, like how we can create a contact form and how we can add into the main page. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care.